Dad, why are you wearing different colored trainers?
Do you remember I actually picked these up in Jan?
Yeah.
Right, and because they've got soft design and they're really, really affordable, I ended up picking up the black ones because they look like £150 trainers and they give you actually the height as well. Look.
Oh my gosh, you're so much taller.
Yeah, and I love them. I mean, they got 8 different colours. They got grey ones that I may actually pick up next month, and they look so cool. So if you want them, I'll link them in the description here.